Okay, so I just wanted to go over some of the notes from 1E, graphing linear equations. The first concept was how to draw or how to sketch a linear equation. So there's two ways, so y-intercept and gradient method and the x and y-intercept method. I'll go through both of these if you missed what we did today. So when an equation is in the form y equals something x plus something, you can tell two things straight away. You can tell the gradient, which is, we give the letter m, so m equals 2, and you can also tell the y-intercept, which is this bit at the end, so we say y-intercept equals 3. So I usually start off by putting them down underneath, because that's what we need. Okay, so we've got our set of x and y axes over here, and what we're going to do is we're going to start off by marking, we're going to draw a line. We need 2 points to draw a line. So we know 1 point is the x-intercept, so it actually doesn't matter where you mark it. I know it's in the positive direction, so I'm going to put it up here, and I'm going to put a 3. Okay, so I know that it goes through that point there. Okay, the second thing I know is the gradient. Now, this is not a point, it's a gradient. So if you remember, gradient can be defined as rise over run. Rise over run. Now, that doesn't help us. We just have 2, but you can write 2 as a fraction, 2 over 1, just like that. So that actually, in effect, gives us a rise and a run. So what we do is we use that to draw our next point. So starting at the y-intercept, which is 3, we're going to go up 2. So if you go up 2, this is not the scale, by the way, up 2 is going to be 5, and we run 1, so we go across by 1. Okay, so up 2, and we'll just try and draw a straight line. It goes from up here to here. Sorry, a little triangle there. So that's up 2 and across by 1, and we've got our second point. Okay, so now we've got 2 points. We can draw a line. I'll try and use this arrow. Okay, so we can draw a line straight through there. Okay, so that is a line drawn by y-intercept and gradient method. The second concept I wanted to do was the x and y-intercepts. Okay, so slightly different method, but you should get the same line. Okay, these lines are the same, these relationships are the same thing, so they will go through all the same points, even though you can mark different points. So using the x and y-intercept method, okay, when we to find the x-intercept, okay, what we do is we make y equals 0. Alright, so in the equation we substitute anywhere we see y with 0. So on this is our x-axis, and again this is our y-axis. Okay, so first of all we're going to find the x-intercept by making y equals 0. So substituting 0 for y, 0 equals 2x plus 3. Okay, so now we have an equation with one variable. We can solve it. We would solve this by, first of all, taking away 3 from both sides and then dividing by 2. So in this case, our x value is going to be negative 3 over 2. Okay, so we can mark that on our graph. Next, x equals negative 3 over 2 is here somewhere. Doesn't matter too much where it is. We're not graphing, we're just sketching, so that's our point is the only important thing. Okay, so the second one, the y-intercept. And to find the y-intercept, you make y equals 0, x equals 0. Okay, and we've actually found out what the y-intercept is in the previous thing. So when I do this, it should work out to be positive 3. So let's do it anyway, go through the motions. Y equals 2 times 0 plus 3. 2 times 0 is 0 plus 3. Y equals 3. Okay, so my y-intercept is 3. Place that here, and I will put a line through those two. See if we can, yep, Excellent. Okay, so these two are the same lines. We've just used different points to create them. Okay. Incidentally, I just wanted to talk about quickly you may be asked what the coordinates of these points are. Okay, so the coordinates for points and the intercepts are slightly different. If you're asked for the coordinates of the y-intercept, you would say that is 0, 3. Okay, because the x value is 0 and then the y value is 3. The coordinates of the x-intercept are going to be -3 over 2, 0. Okay, that'll do for now.